Hi children, welcome back to our class. Last class we have seen that how to derive that chemical formula of a compound. I hope that topic is clear to you. Sometimes you will be getting that formula derivation, and if it is opposite way, vice versa, that is formula is given, you can write the name also. That is also possible, but that is not there in your syllabus. Okay. And now we can see a new topic, that is formula unit mass. Formula unit mass. Children, you have studied about how to calculate the molecular mass of a compound. That you have studied. What is the molecular mass? Molecular mass is the sum of the atomic masses of different atoms present in one molecule of that compound. That you have seen how to calculate individual atomic masses, you have to multiply it and you have to add it to get the molecular mass. And what is actually this formula unit mass? This formula unit mass is used for ionic compounds. Just now we have seen what are ions, and in the compounds in which ions are generated there, that means cations and anions are present there, those compounds we are calling it as ionic compounds. And for this ionic compounds, instead of this molecular mass, we are using the term formula unit mass. That is the only difference. Calculation and everything is same as how to calculate the molecular mass and all. It is similar, okay. But the only difference is that for the ionic compounds we are using the term formula unit mass. It is meant for ionic compounds. Why? Ionic compounds. Why do we change that molecular mass as formula unit mass for the ionic compounds? Because I will give you one example. Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is an ionic compound. Okay. So when we are seeing the crystal of sodium chloride is a common salt we are using in houses. Okay. Sodium is positively charged and the sodium will be binded with the chloride minus and this Cl minus, like so, Cl minus. And this chloride minus will be binded with the Na plus, and this is also will be linked with Na plus, and this will be linking with the Na plus, like so it will be connecting there. Okay, clear? So in a crystal if you are taking like so, you will get that crystal. Okay, so if you want to take one molecule of that compound, it will not be possible for you, because if it is one molecule, that means one Na and one Cl. How to take from this one Na and one Cl? It is binded with the other Na and other Cl. So it is impossible for us to take one Na and Cl there. So at that time when we are taking one crystal there, it will be a large number of Na and Cl will be there. So we can write it as, if you are taking that NaCl, it can be any number of atoms will be combined there. So for us it is not possible to take one NaCl as a single molecule. So what we are taking, it will be a cluster of a large number of atoms, molecules. Okay. So at that time we are calculating that molecular mass of that compound. Calculation and everything is same there, but only we are using another term. There we cannot tell that molecular mass, because it is not a single molecule we have taken. So we are taking that cluster of molecules there. So calculation is same as a single molecule, but we are using another term there, that is formula unit mass. Okay. Formula unit mass is same as molecular mass, but that formula unit mass is only used for this ionic compounds. Calculation and all which is similar to calculation of molecular mass. So we can see how to calculate the formula unit mass of calcium chloride. Calcium chloride is ionic compound CaCl2. We have derived the formula. Okay. So CaCl2, calculate the formula unit mass. Calculate the formula unit mass. So calculation of formula unit mass of calcium chloride is, what is the atomic mass of calcium? For calcium the atomic mass is 40. 40 U into how many calcium is the 1 plus Cl2. 2 Cl are the, so Cl, what is the atomic mass for Cl? It is 35.5 U into 2. So altogether what will be the formula unit mass of calcium chloride? Yes, it is 11 U. 111 U. Unit and calculation, everything is same as molecular mass, but instead of the term molecular mass we are using another term, a new term, that is formula unit mass, and it is only for the ionic compound. For water we will not tell it is formula unit mass of water, it is only molecular mass of water. Okay. But for sodium chloride and calcium chloride and all, instead of telling calculate the molecular mass of that calcium chloride or sodium chloride, we will be telling it as calculate the formula unit mass of sodium chloride or calcium chloride, like so will be. But calculation, everything will be the same. Hope you understood it. One more example we can see. Calculate the formula unit mass of another ionic compound. We can calculate it as sodium sulphate. Sodium sulphate, if you do not know the formula, you have to derive that. Sodium sulphate is, sodium is Na and sulphate is SO4. Sodium valence is 1, SO4 valence is 2. There is no common factor, so you will get it as Na2SO4. The formula for sodium sulphate is Na2SO4. And to calculate the formula unit mass of Na2SO4, you have to multiply. What is the atomic mass of sodium? Sodium atomic mass is 23. 23 into 2 plus sulfur. What is the atomic mass of sulfur? 32. How many sulfur atoms are there? Only 1. Then oxygen. Oxygen, it is 16 into 4. So total what will be the answer for formula unit mass of Na2SO4 sodium sulphate? It is 142 U. Okay. So what is actually formula unit mass? Formula unit mass is the term, instead of molecular mass, the term used for ionic compounds, that is formula unit mass, and the calculation and unit is same as molecular mass. Hope you understood this.